Hey, what's up guys? We're the Orlando Adventurers. This is Christine, that's Sammy, I'm Michael.
And we're going to be giving you HHN construction updates and all different updates for Universal and Islands of Adventure. So today's the last day of Fear Factor Live until they close it for Halloween Horror Nights for Bill and Ted. Today is August 12th, 2017.
Today is the last show. Like, this is the last show that's going.
We just talked to a guy, he said this is the last show, or not last show, but the last day for Fear Factor Live. So
we're pretty excited.
So we're right in front of where Disaster used to be, and well, they just covered it with what it used to be.
Tarp.
The big tarp. Walking through, this is where the Dead Man's Wharf scare zone was. They got some lights up, obviously for another scare zone. So really cool. In the New York area, this is usually where the bigger scare zones are. So you can see again, they got the lights up. That means we're getting close.
It's a clue from Blue.
Where?
We can't do it.
What?
We can't do it.
Apparently there's a paw print from Blue's Clues.
Do you see it? It's like a flag.
Where?
There's a flag.
Right there?
Yes.
Where?
There.
There?
Yeah. Oh no, it's a camera.
They still gotta do the song again. So we're here right by Transformers, and look, they got the stage set up. That's where AOB was last year, but also they're most likely using that for Rock the Universe before Halloween Horror Nights, just like they did last year. So we'll just wait and see what they do.
So here we have the sound booth for the stage, hopefully for Academy of Villains, but also Rock the Universe, since that's coming up too.
We've had the green poles for like a little bit. Now they have lights. It's lights.
So now we're walking in the kids' play area, and this might be gone for Nintendo World. That's the big strong room that's going around. So it's really cool. So you're probably wondering why we're in the Curious George play area. Basically we're trying to see if we can catch a glimpse of them doing construction. Hopefully we can't get in trouble for this, but because I don't know, it's not like we're backstage or anything. So we'll just take a look and see. Came along this ramp that's behind the ball pit area just to see, because one year Christine and I, we actually did see something, but it looks like they planted more trees, covered it up some. So we'll just look more. Also, if we can look behind those trees, it wouldn't do us any good because put a big wall, or that might even just be a building right there. So not a chance to see anything. Wait, Sammy, look. It's the scariest part of HHN.
Oh.
It's here every year. That scary monster right there.
If you guys have ever been in his playground, you'll understand. Like, it's terrible.
Our playground in there is very creepy. In the Simpsons area, we can see that more lights have been moved past the street. And you can see more lights have been put in. Hopefully again for HHN. Hey Christine, what's over there? I don't know if you can really see it through the trees, but yes, there are two of the tent houses that are back behind Men in Black and The Simpsons. You excited?
All over missions. What?
So yes, if you look right there, you can see the house is a little bit better than where we were before. You can see it through the trees. Jump scare! For like 5 minutes and we didn't even realize there's a light that's right here. I don't know if it's for a HHN or just a normal light that's been there the whole time. Okay. So that's it for today. We're actually gonna go see Annabelle. Fingers crossed that's gonna be a Halloween Horror Nights this year. So catch you guys later.
Catch you on the flippity flop.